So I'd like to tell you about the Yamuna Body Rolling method and the different balls that we use. We have a variety of different sizes and shapes that give a different experience in the body. So for the biggest ball that we have is the gold ball. It's softer in gram density, and it's really wonderful for things like breathing into the ribs and expanding over the ball. It's softer and it's wonderful for the spine, and it's a great ball if you have any issues like osteoporosis or you're recovering from anything. This softer ball is really nice. The next one that I want to tell you about is the silver ball, which is a little bit deeper thickness in the gram density of it, so it's going to give you a deeper tissue feeling. Great for for releasing the legs, the quads, the hamstrings. It's a wonderful ball. The pearl ball is next, and it is like the same gram density as the gold, but it's a little smaller, so it's going to feel a little deeper. Great for petite people and those hard to reach areas like between the breasts or when you're rolling out the clavicles. I love my pearl ball. I love all the balls. The black balls are used as a set. They were initially developed for the calves, but we use them everywhere now. They offer more mobility for the joints. They get deeper into the bone. They're going to be a great experience for detailing muscle specifically. And they just in infinite ways that you can use the black balls. You can even use them in bed restoratively and sleep on them at night. The face set has two balls, one for the back of the skull and one that we actually roll the face out with. The face method is wonderful for relieving all kinds of tension in the face like TMJ pain, sinus pressure, headache patterns, all of the things that our irreplaceable faces need to not live with. So I invite you to enjoy the face ball method with me sometime. We have two sets of balls for the feet. The wakers are where we start to get a lot of movement and flexibility, and then we work on more bone stimulation with the savers, which are denser. So these all, again, there's a variety of different ways that we get into the feet that are a complete workout and great for any kind of painful problems that you might experience with your feet, such as neuromas or plantar fasciitis. We also have a really handy pump that is perfect for our balls. This nozzle fits well with our valves, and you can deflate the balls with it. It's the perfect size to travel with. And one thing I do want to say about the balls so that you get the most out of them is as tempting as it may be to pump them up completely dense, you always want to keep a little give in your ball because you want to have something to sink and melt into. So you always want a little give in the ball. You'll see that none of the balls, even the black balls, are firm, but you always want a little bit of give in them because it creates that angle so that you can work really close to the bone. So these are my tools that I use to unwind my entire body. Using a ball and knowing the anatomy, you can pretty much relieve just about any discomfort that you have in the body, get toned, fit, and pain-free. I invite you to join me. If you enjoyed this video, please press like. Should you have any questions, pop them in the comments below and I'd be happy to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe and also look in the notes section to get links to my YBR Anytime video subscription service. Thank you for being here.